What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips to help you when you first start trading stocks. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Coming in at tip number 1, we have preparation. It's very important that you do your own due diligence before hopping into the stock market because sadly enough, the stock market does not care about our feelings or our money. A big mistake I see a lot of people do is that they hop into the stock market blindly, not knowing how to trade or what to do. So definitely research simple terms like support and resistance, as well as a few easy indicators how to use for beginners, and doing this alone will help you out tremendously when you first start trading stocks. Coming in at number 2, we have mindset. Hopping into the stock market with a growth mindset is going to put you ahead of a lot of people. Everyone takes losses in the stock market, so it's very important that you look at every loss as an opportunity to learn and grow. Having this mindset will help you out a ton. As I said before, when you take a loss, definitely look back at the chart, review your trade, and see what you could have done better. And doing this will make you a better trader in the long run. So that is number 2. Make sure you have a growth mindset. Don't hop into the stock market expecting to make quick and easy money. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is slow growth over time, which should lead into a lot of money in the long run. But for number 3, make sure that you have a plan before every single trade that you hop in. Having a plan will consist of your entry, your stop loss, and your price targets for the stock. If you don't have this plan hopping into the trade beforehand, you will be lost and you won't know exactly what to do when the stock moves a certain way. Trust me, having this plan written out ahead of time helps you out tremendously, because sometimes your emotions get the best of you as you're in a trade and you don't know what to rely on. So whenever a trade goes south or it starts to shoot up, definitely look back at your plan, see what you have written out, and follow it accordingly. Having this plan will save you a lot of money in the market, so make sure you do that. Tip number 4 that I have for you guys is position sizing. It is very crucial that you do not trade with a huge part of your portfolio. If a trade goes south or doesn't go according to plan, you don't want all of your money in your portfolio gone in one trade. So definitely trade with about 10 to 15% of your portfolio, sometimes even up to 20% depending on your skill set level. But scaling up too quickly will cause emotional trading, so definitely don't go into the stock market thinking that you're going to get rich quick, and definitely trade with a small portion. Doing this over time will show you what you're good and bad at when it comes to trading stocks. Trading with about 10 to 15% of your portfolio gives you enough testing to trade and to learn what you're good and bad at when it comes to trading stocks. After you start to become more consistent, then you can slowly start to add on to that position, but only after you're comfortable with trading 10 to 15%. So that is number 4. Definitely keep that in mind. You do not want to trade with more than 20% at a time with your portfolio, or you'll end up risking a lot of your money that you have worked hard for, and I don't want that to happen. And last but not least, we have tip number 5, which is setting rules for yourself. It's very important that you have rules set for yourself because this will help you stay more disciplined and remind you what you should and should not be doing in the stock market. Everyone doesn't trade the same way, so when you're first starting out, kind of figure out what you're good at, what type of setup you like to trade, and in your set of rules, definitely write down what you should stick to and what you should avoid. In Evernote, which is what I use, I have these rules set out. Definitely review these set of rules every week, and it should help you keep in check and stay more consistent as a trader. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Let me know what you guys thought about those 5 tips in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one.